Hey everybody, Jackie here. I want to show you how I organize my second grader. Here is her binder. We went ahead and just let her put some stickers on it. Some binders have a slip sheet inside. If you want a quick little list, I will post it below the resources that I'm suggesting here. So if we have a binder here, 3-ring binder. Then when we open it, I have included these tabs. Make sure you have at least 5. If you're taking 6 classes, have 1 per class. We have labeled it. There we go. Language Arts, LA. Social Studies, SS. Math, Science, and Spanish. What I also suggest is that you have these sheet protectors. I have 3 hole punched pages and it's just not worth the time. So print your pages and put them in the sheet protectors. I suggest 2 sheet protectors per subject. The first sheet protector will be the pages your student still needs to do. I only print out the homework that's due. There are other pages in the lesson before what's due, and that's great, and we print them out as needed. But I only go to the very last page of the lesson and only print out what's due. If there's no page to print out, then it's probably an exam, and you'll need to sit with your student to help them go through the exam. The second page, sheet protector in the subject, is what my student has already done. So this is to do, this is done. And so my student does the homework, we scan it in, we submit it, and then we store it here. If you're with a letter of intent, you'll need that for your annual portfolio review. Now talk with your district, because some districts will accept the FLVS unofficial transcript, while other districts want that in addition to the annual review from a certified teacher. Again, letter of intent from home education you'll need to talk to your district. If you're with private school, which we are with a private school, we don't need any of that. All we need to do is to submit annual attendance, while some private schools need quarterly attendance. Again, talk to your private school director. I hope this is helpful for those families using FLVS Flex Elementary K through 5. We again use a 3-ring binder, the subject tabs, and sheet protectors. We are using an Epson printer. There's a lot of questions on what printers people are using. Our printer uses the ink refills. We have saved so much money getting that. I used a Sharpie to label my tabs. They actually allow you to print out, cut out, and slide them in, and I just don't have time for all that, so I am the quick and easy, let's just get this going, mom, and I hope this is helpful to you. If you have more questions, comment below, message me. I try to reply to every single one. YouTube had a problem telling me they were in, so I'm trying to get better at making sure I catch every comment. Like my video, share it with a friend, and also subscribe so you can catch any future videos. Thank you again. I hope you have a successful school year.